How to authenticate to a remote DB host with MongoKit? I'm attempting to connect and authenticate to a remote database host, .cloud, MongoLabs, etc., using MongoKit within Flask. Connecting to the server seems to work fine. However, I am unable to authenticate to the database. Presumably this should work. The call to authenticate returns true, yet subsequent calls to fetch data throw. Anyone know what might be happening here?
This is likely due to the current behavior of authenticate in pymongo. Pymongo doesn't cache authentication credentials between threads, so each thread must authenticate individually. See the note in the pymongo documentation about using authenticate in a multi-threaded environment.
I videoen passerer må jeg lese kanskje til subskripten.